In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Udemy support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the official Udemy website. Sign into your account using whichever method you normally use, whether that's your Google sign-in or your regular username and password. Make sure you sign in before proceeding so the support team can accurately link your message to your account. Once you're signed in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and hover over your profile photo. A menu will appear. Look for the Help and Support option in that menu and click it. This will take you to Udemy's assistance area where common issues and support resources are listed. On the support page, locate and click the Contact Us link. This option is designed to connect you with personalized help for issues that aren't covered by the general help articles. After selecting Contact Us, look for the section titled How to Reach Our Support Team. Clicking that will show the different channels available and guide you toward the best way to communicate your specific problem. From there, follow the link to the contact form. The contact form is the primary place to provide details about your issue, so take a moment to prepare the information you'll enter. Include the course title or URL, the instructor's name if relevant, order or receipt details if it's a purchase issue, and a clear description of what happened. If you have screenshots, error messages, or other files that illustrate the problem, attach them to the form. These make it much easier for support to diagnose and resolve your issue quickly. When filling out the form, write a concise subject line and then expand on the details in the message field. Be factual and chronological, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Double-check contact information and attachments, then click Submit at the bottom of the form to send your message. If your issue involves sensitive content or a formal takedown request, use the dedicated reporting options listed in Udemy's support documentation rather than including sensitive details in the body of the form. After submission, keep an eye on the email associated with your account for a confirmation and any follow-up from the support team. Patience helps, response times can vary, but clear, complete information speeds up the process.